a Cooper's hawk eating. I only know and I only saw this because a feather flew away. Wow, I've never seen a Cooper's hawk feed before. Look at this incredible Cooper's hawk. Bro, did you see this thing you just walked past?
Huh?
Look up there.
What is it?
That's a Cooper's hawk. That's a bird of prey. Check it out. It was just eating that other bird.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Incredible, man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my first time encountering a Cooper's hawk with its quarry. Truly a sight to behold. Incredible. I'm in absolute awe of this astonishing accipiter.